Make a wig with me. Make sure to apply your frontal in the middle of your cap with a little pull to the front. Flat base at the back with an M shape at the front. Braid out of the way. Get a measuring tape and pin in the middle of your cap. Draw a line for the frontal placement and another for coverage. Draw 0.5-inch distance lines at the top and 1-inch distances around the bottom half of the wig for a flat and full wig. Set your machine to a zigzag stitch and gather your equipment. Sew your frontal using the guidelines and remember to go back and forth at the beginning and end of every new stitch to secure the thread. Double your weft one bundle and sew together for a fuller application. Cut off excess cap, add your band, and you're done. I'll be doing 1-to-1 lessons next year.